Hi everybody, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple dinner, and it's all from Trader Joe's, and it's all from the frozen section, so you can have all these items in your freezer ready to go whenever you want to make this dish. And it's so fast and easy, so it's totally vegan, gluten-free, and delicious. So let's get started. So the ingredients are as follows. We're going to have 1 bag of Trader Joe's stir-fry vegetables. This has got everything in it. Bamboo shoots, water chestnuts, edamame, carrots, snap peas. It's a really great combo. I always have this in my freezer. Then I've got a bag of frozen riced cauliflower, and that's all that's in here is riced cauliflower. Super yummy, lot of nutrients. Then I like to throw in some soy-cotash, so I add a little bit more edamame. It's got some red pepper and corn. And finally, I like to add some frozen peas. And this is just Trader Joe's plain old organic frozen peas. So we're gonna throw everything into a pan and let's go. So I've got this nice big pan heating up, and no oil is in the pan. It's just a dry pan, but you wanna preheat it. We're gonna add the entire bag of the stir-fry veggies. The entire bag of the riced cauliflower. A cup of the frozen peas, about a half a cup of the soy-cotash. Just gonna stir this around, and you're on about a medium-high heat. We're gonna put a lid on it and just let it cook. At this point, it's been cooking for about 6 minutes, and now we're gonna add our spices. We're gonna add about a half a teaspoon of some ginger root and a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic. We're going to add some pepper. Then we're going to add about a half a cup of Trader Joe's organic coconut aminos. And this is going to give it a little bit of a salty taste and also a little bit of a sweet taste. I'm going to give it I think I'm going to put a little bit more coconut aminos in, and this is definitely to taste. And coconut aminos has a lot less sodium than regular soy sauce. And it's gluten-free. That should do it. Another quick little stir. We'll put the lid on, let it cook for another 5 minutes or so, just till the veggies are done. The last thing I like to add is a little cayenne pepper, just a little bit. That's totally optional. Look at all those colors. It's beautiful. So we're gonna plate this up and give it a taste. Okay, we're ready to taste, and check it out. Look at all those delicious colors. Beautiful. I added some white and black sesame seeds, and I ended up adding a little bit more of the ground ginger and the garlic, granulated garlic, just for my taste. So it's absolutely whatever you like. So let's give it a taste here. It's so good. You get the sweet from the coconut and a little bit of salty, not too much, and the little kick from the cayenne, and the vegetables are crunchy, and it's great because it's low carb too, because there's no rice. You're using the riced cauliflower, so you get that feeling of rice. So this is definitely a winner. Trader Joe's is a gold mine. So, I mean, most of us do love Trader Joe's. If you have not checked out Trader Joe's, if you're the one person left that has not checked out Trader Joe's, go check out their frozen section. I mean, it makes life so much easier. I'm busy, I'm a full-time nurse. I come home from work, I'm tired. I throw this in a pan, 20 minutes, I have dinner. And it makes a ton. So I have some for lunch and even dinner for the next day. So please give this recipe a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.